In this video, we will explore the incredible health benefits of consuming clove water at night. Clove water is known for its numerous medicinal properties and has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health issues. From improving digestion to boosting immunity, clove water offers a wide range of benefits that many doctors may not often mention. One of the top benefits of clove water is its ability to aid in digestion and relieve stomach issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Additionally, clove water is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage and lower your risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that clove water may also help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. It can also support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving circulation. Furthermore, clove water is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great natural remedy for fighting off infections. Overall, incorporating clove water into your nightly routine can have a significant impact on your health and well-being. From improving your digestion to boosting your immune system, clove water offers a wide range of benefits that can help you live a healthier life. So why not give it a try and experience the amazing benefits for yourself? Remember, it is always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle. Stay tuned to learn more about the surprising health benefits of clove water at night. Did you know that clove water can provide numerous health benefits when consumed at night? Here are 15 surprising benefits that doctors often don't talk about. 1. Clove water can help improve digestion and relieve digestive issues like bloating and gas. Indeed, clove water is known for its potential to aid digestion and alleviate common digestive discomforts such as bloating and gas. This aromatic infusion contains compounds that may help to soothe the digestive system and promote overall gastrointestinal health. Sipping on clove water can provide relief from discomfort and support a healthy digestive process. However, it's essential to consume clove water in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have persistent digestive issues. Incorporating clove water into your routine may offer a natural and refreshing way to support digestive wellness. 2. It can also aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and curbing cravings. 3. Clove water is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. 4. By consuming clove water at night, you can improve your liver health and detoxify your body while you sleep. 5. Clove water is a natural expectorant, making it beneficial for respiratory issues like coughs and colds. Clove water serves as a natural expectorant, which can be advantageous for addressing respiratory concerns such as coughs and colds. This aromatic infusion helps to loosen mucus and phlegm, making it easier to expel from the respiratory tract. By promoting clearer airways, clove water may help to alleviate coughing and congestion associated with respiratory infections. However, it's important to consume clove water in moderation and seek medical advice if symptoms persist or worsen. Incorporating clove water into your wellness routine may offer a comforting and effective remedy for respiratory discomforts. 6. The antioxidants in clove water can help boost your immune system and protect against illnesses. 7. Clove water also has antibacterial properties, which can help fight off infections and promote overall wellness. 8. It can even help improve circulation and prevent cardiovascular issues when consumed regularly. 9. Clove water is a natural pain reliever and can help alleviate headaches, toothaches, and muscle pain. 10. It can also improve oral health by killing bacteria in the mouth and preventing bad breath. Clove water has been recognized for its potential to enhance oral health by eliminating bacteria in the mouth and combating bad breath. The antimicrobial properties of cloves help to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria that can lead to dental issues such as cavities and gum disease. Additionally, the refreshing aroma of clove water can leave the mouth feeling clean and revitalized. However, it's important to use clove water as part of a comprehensive oral hygiene routine, including regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. By incorporating clove water into your daily regimen, you can promote fresher breath and maintain a healthy smile. 11. Clove water is rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for bone health and strength. 12. By drinking clove water at night, you can improve your skin health and achieve a radiant complexion. 13. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes throughout the day. 14. Clove water has calming properties that can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Clove water, with its calming properties, is known to promote relaxation and enhance sleep quality. This aromatic beverage is believed to soothe the mind and body, facilitating a peaceful night's rest. Additionally, the antioxidants present in cloves may contribute to overall well-being by combating oxidative stress. However, it's advisable to consume clove water in moderation and consult a healthcare professional if you have any health concerns. Enjoying a cup of clove water before bedtime can be a soothing ritual to help unwind and prepare for a restful sleep. 15. And finally, consuming clove water at night can help reduce stress and anxiety, leading to a more peaceful mind and body. Drinking cloves at night, particularly in the form of clove tea, can have several potential health benefits. Cloves contain compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to promote overall health and well-being. Additionally, cloves are often used to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion, which can contribute to a more comfortable night's rest. Furthermore, the aromatic scent of cloves may have a calming effect on the mind and body, promoting relaxation and potentially improving sleep quality. However, it's essential to consume cloves in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.